video, we went over the meaning, process, advantages and disadvantages of peer-to-peer lending, and in this video, we'll talk about the factors that have led to P2P lending becoming a significant contributor to the Fintech industry. P2P lending, as we all know, is the practice of lending money to businesses or individuals directly without any involvement of any financial institutions. In other words, in P2P lending, money is directly lent to businesses and individuals without using financial institutions as intermediaries. This process of lending is carried out through online investment platforms which act as a link between the lenders and the borrowers. Because of the ease and convenience that it offers, P2P lending has become a key player in the fintech industry. For all the stakeholders in the fintech industry, P2P lending has opened up new avenues for investment. The investors of the new generation are preferring to invest through P2P lending websites and apps and are ditching the conventional methods of investment. P2P lending has been a huge supporting pillar of innovation in the fintech industry, and here are the reasons why. P2P offers the convenience of lending via online platforms where the entire process is done online through e-applications. All that a borrower is required to do is create a profile on the P2P platform and make a request for a loan by specifying the interest rate at which he will be repaying the amount. After the borrower is done with making the profit and processing the request for the loan, he will see a list of lenders appearing in front of him. The borrower can browse through the list of lenders and choose the one which suits his preferences and requirements the best. Another way through which P2P lending is benefiting the fintech industry is by offering good returns. For years, people have seen banks as the only medium for providing loans. What acted as a hindrance was the fact that the interest rates of banks were very high, which made borrowing next to impossible for a large number of people. Hence, the borrowers and the lenders have a good option apart from the conventional options of bank as the only medium to invest and borrow money. When a borrower goes to avail the loan from the bank spends a lot of time investigating the background of the borrower before the loan is granted. So, if the borrower needs to have a loan urgently, he cannot expect the bank to fasten the process and grant the loan. Talking about the time period, it usually takes from weeks to months before the loan amount is actually sanctioned. Contrary to this, a P2P lending facility is very easily approachable with the help of P2P lending websites and mobile applications. The best part about this type of lending is that the entire process is automated and can be completed with just a few clicks. In P2P lending, it's just a matter of few days before your loan is sanctioned. What makes the P2P lending apps drive more traffic is the fact that the customers can ask to borrow money, to borrow an amount which is as low as $1,000 or even less. P2P lending not only played a fundamental role in transforming the concept of financial services, but it also has contributed immensely to the growth of the fintech industry. Furthermore, it has provided a plethora of opportunities to individuals, businessmen and startups to see P2P lending as one of the key methods to avail loans to kickstart their businesses. With the ease of availing loans, getting good returns on the money invested, no tangible paperwork, no wastage of time, extreme convenience and other such elements, P2P lending is soon expected to become the powerhouse of the fintech industry in the coming years. The future beholds some very promising prospects for P2P lending, considering the many benefits it is offering today and the benefits that it is expected to offer in the coming future.